You stayed with Pico until 83, is that correct?
Yes, I transferred then. I became a senior geologist, and then what they had called in their vernacular a supervising geologist, and moved to Tasmania.
So you were a mentor?
Yeah, that's right. And I led
Little
the
did you
team.
know.
I led the team in Tasmania. We were based in Devonport then,
Okay.
and we had quite a lot of exploration tenements down the west coast in the Mount Reid volcanics.
And was that VHMS?
That was VHMS.
Focused?
We also had tin tungsten and skarn exploration going on because the Devonian granites have lots of tin deposits and tungsten deposits around them. So it was a very interesting period. We had some successes, we had some failures. I suppose I was very keen to to find a decent deposit at that time, and we had some tenements right down the southwest of Tasmania in an area that has a lot of conservation value, and there was a lot of interest from both sides of the fence on whether that area should be locked up in a conservation area or whether it should be available for exploration. And our team, and I was out in the field at the time, actually we found outcropping massive sulphide. You wouldn't believe it. Outcropping material that was going 30% lead zinc and a couple of grams of gold. We dug around this outcrop and exposed a lens of massive sulphide that was about 3 metres wide and 10 metres long. And hurrah! I've found it. This is going to be a major deposit. You wouldn't believe it. It turned out to be a big clast of massive sulphide in a mass flow Brexia, and we must have drilled about 6 or 7 holes, and we could never connect the dots. Every so often that you'd drill through another clast and you'd have a metre of massive sulphide, but within this mass flow Brexia, so we could never get any tonnage together.
So it was an ocean floor mass flow?
Yeah, an ocean floor mass flow. It had ripped, obviously, pieces off a massive sulphide and carried them along, but we could never get back to the source of where it had come from.
And not knowing even if the source has been preserved?
That's right, yeah.
So this took you up to into the early 80s?
That's right, about 83. I decided, actually the company offered me a position to be the manager for Eastern Australia at that time, and at the same time Mike Solomon moved from his position here as the economic geologist to Canberra to take a job there in the BMR, and I applied here, and so I had the option of either taking the management job, I think it was based in Brisbane, or coming here.